Welcome to Simple English Club.
Set the table. Set the table. I have to set the table for guests. Put the food away. Put the food away. Put the food away, we can have it later in the evening. Clean the table. Clean the table. After cleaning the table, it becomes easy to do the dishes. Clean the stove. Clean the stove. Kitchen looks decent and clean, if one cleans the stove regularly. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. We don't have servant to sweep the floor. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. You should dust the furniture very often to keep it look shiny. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. If we have a vacuum cleaner, it becomes easy to clean the carpet every weekend. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. I have bought a new mop brush to mop the floor. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. I need to do the laundry before I run out of clean clothes. Hang the clothes. Hang the clothes. I need to hang the clothes on the cloth line to dry them. Fold the laundry. Fold the laundry. I need to fold the laundry before putting it away. Iron the dress. Iron the dress. I have to iron my dress before the meeting. Hang the picture. Hang the picture. I need to hang the picture on the wall. Dry hair. Dry hair. I have to dry my hair before leaving the house. Make the bed. Make the bed. I make my bed every morning before leaving for work.